Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for those of you who are visiting for the first time, welcome. I got a request from my last video to do a look for beginners. So this week I am focusing on how to slay for beginners. Now, the products that I use, the majority of them are drugstore products, and you can find them at Walgreens. The only product that you would have a hard time finding in a drugstore is the LA Girl Cosmetics concealers. I buy mine online on Amazon because you can get 3 for $5. Each concealer is like $2.99, so it's definitely worth it. So I made sure that I chose cost-conscious products so that you don't have to spend an arm and a leg if you're just starting out to do makeup for the first time. It just doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna go over the products right now. So Black Radiance, the True Complexion Contour Palette is what I use for my bronzer.